Hello, and welcome to the support site for the District Technology Training Program for Prince George's County Public Schools. So what we have here is a support site for the training program on Wix. Here you will find the goals for the training program, as well as the proposal to the school board for the DTTP. You will also find on this support site the standards that the training program aligns with, including Common Core and ISTE standards for educators. An overview of the content included in the training program, and you'll then see a breakdown of the 5-day workshop that takes place during the pre-service at the start of the school year. So we have each day, okay, so some days have more than one course, and then other days have just one course. Okay. At the end here we also have support and feedback, so you can contact us directly if you have questions, and we also would love to get your feedback regarding what you like, but also what you don't see that you would like to be covered in the future. And that's a basic overview of the support site for this professional development training.